This is Pete from Resto-Rooster OHV, wishing you and your family happy holidays and a Merry Christmas. We've all been there where we run out of hand cleaner, or we're at a friend's house doing some work and they don't really have any hand cleaner, and of course the first thing you do is go for the old dish soap, which is great. This dish soap works. It's a degreaser and it's relatively light on the skin. However, when you get down inside these crevices in your hands, it just doesn't take it off. So here's a tip that'll work every single time, and everybody will have it for the most part. The old dish soap. Then what you want to get is some just plain old granulated white sugar. Now the sugar will not melt in the soap, nor will it melt while you're washing your hands, but it acts as a pumice. It's like little scrubbers on there, and it'll actually get down inside the pores and inside the lines of your skin, and it does a much better job. Sometimes I feel like this works better than commercial hand soap. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next year.